Delhi water crisis has worsened, Delhi blaming Haryana for the tanker mafia. Now here's what the Delhi government has said in the latest. They are saying that it's that one of the reasons they are not able to act on this water tanker mafia because it doesn't come in their jurisdiction. Delhi, that means in many ways, is still battling with who handles which jurisdiction. There is the government at the center, then there is the Delhi government, then there is the MCD. Delhi government is saying this mafia is on Haryana's side of Yamuna River. And remember, the allegations basically initially was Haryana is not sending enough water. India Today has found out that while water was coming in, was there in this canal, which is the intersection, this is where the malpractice was happening by the water tanker mafia with regard to water coming in but not reaching to the people. Let's go across now to first Srishti Ojha joining me and also Amit Bhardwaj for the latest on that. Amit, I want to first ask you about the political showdown here. What precisely is the Delhi government saying? Because now that there is clarity of what could be the problem, why can't there be a crackdown?
Pooja, the Delhi government is actually in action mode. Yesterday, India Today Aastak had done that sting operation exposing the tanker mafia operational, which is stealing Delhi's water. And right now, what you can see is across Delhi, on one side, the Delhi police is cracking down on any attempt of illegal or theft of water. On the other side, the Delhi Water Minister Atishi is expected to reach this very spot near Akshardham, and she, along with the ADM, SDM, will be inspecting the main pipeline of the Delhi Jal Board. I'll request Manish to pan the camera to show you. We are near Akshardham, and this is the main water pipeline of the Delhi Jal Board, which actually supplies water across the national capital. There are several sub-branches which actually takes water to the near pump stations in the neighborhoods of the national capital. So there were other claims as well that water wastage is happening through pipelines of the Delhi Jal Board, and now Delhi government along with the Delhi officials is on the ground inspecting as to whether there are any faulty pipelines, because if there is any problem with the major pipeline, the main pipeline, what happens that you end up losing a lot of water, which could actually be major supply to several neighborhoods within a few minutes. So this is a major problem that the Delhi government is also trying to fix. On the other side, the politics is actually escalating, Pooja. Yesterday, Delhi Water Minister Atishi had written to LG VK Saxena saying that the number of tankers, Delhi Jal Board tankers, were reduced during the summers. During winters, it was nearly 1,200 tankers, DJB tankers, which were actually reduced down to nearly 800 DJB water tankers. And despite the fact that there is heat wave, despite the water minister writing constantly to the officials, these tankers were not increased.
Amit,
so
the usual, whether you call it bureaucratic, political indifference, trying to pull each other down rather than collectively work on the table for the people of Delhi. Srishti Ojha also joins us in this. Srishti, how is this going to be taken ahead? Do you think this will take a legal course as well? Because right now it's not just the heat wave. To not even have water in their home at such a time is literally causing them to suffer.
Well, it already has taken a legal course.
Okay.
As we know, the Supreme Court had yesterday only pulled up the Delhi government for not taking any action against the mafia, the tanker mafia, and also asked for Delhi government's response as to what exactly is the government doing, what action is it taking. Now the Delhi government has come back in its response and said that it is Haryana that should in fact explain why no action is being taken, because it is Haryana's jurisdiction and Delhi government does not have any jurisdiction to take any action against the alleged tanker mafia. Now the reason that the Delhi government has given is simple, saying that the water that they're talking about, the water doesn't, whatever tanker mafia action that is being referred to in the report happens before the water reaches Delhi. Therefore, the tanker mafia is operational on the Haryana side of the Yamuna River, and the Delhi government won't have any jurisdiction. So the Haryana government should explain what step is the state taking to preserve a full supply of water to Delhi between the point of release and the point of receipt. Delhi government has also in its affidavit said that they have prepared a comprehensive blueprint for augmenting water supplies to fulfill the need of the Delhi citizens. However, that plan can be implemented by next year. Not only that, they've also got the LG into the picture, saying that considering the peculiar situation of Delhi, where the civil servants are not directly accountable to the elected government, the petitioner government, being the Delhi government, has been making attempts to make sure that water tankers are available.
Unlike
and
other
have, in fact,
states,
written multiple
half
letters.
of the time the crisis in Delhi is as much about the crisis and is as much about who really has to manage the crisis, because there's no decisive decision taken on that, whether it's Lieutenant Governor or the elected government or the MCD. I want to thank Amit Bhardwaj and Srishti Ojha. Both will be updating us in this heat wave. Remember, to not even have water in national capital, in parts of Delhi, not in the whole city, in parts of Delhi. But is there a malpractice or just the lack of water availability? We'll be tracking the latest on that. India Today has done a special investigation in this case as well.